Ekta and I welcome you to my YouTube channel One Stop Vegetarian. I am from Bhilai, Chhattisgarh, India, but now I live in Singapore for last 2 years. I love food and traveling, and I have experienced different cuisines across India and different parts of the world. I try to innovate different cooking recipes and I will share them on my YouTube channel. This channel is only 2 months old, but the response has been really encouraging. Thank you so much everyone for the support. I will be posting new recipes every week, so stay tuned. If you like my recipes, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Till then, take care and keep smiling. See you all in my next video. Bye bye. Happy cooking.